Minasan, yokoso. Hi everybody, welcome to Edupedia world. So we are into the lesson number 10. The name of this lesson is Shigoto no Jikan. Shigoto no Jikan. Jikan means time. Shigoto means working. No is the connecting grammar particle. Shigoto no Jikan. Working hours. Okay, so we will be learning tango, grammar, conversation, matome, hatten, and exercise just like every other lesson. In this lesson, we will come across few kanjis which we have already learnt, and there will be few kanjis which we will learn later. So for easier understanding, I have written the hiragana readings of kanjis as well in this lesson. So let's get started with tango. The first word is jikan. Jikan meaning time. Jikan, time. The next is ji. It is a suffix added to hour. For example, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So this kanji is called ji and it is a suffix. The next is fun or pun. Fun or pun. This is a suffix added to minutes. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, etc. So pun or fun is a suffix. The next is gozen. Gozen. It is AM. Gogo, PM. Gozen is AM, gogo is PM. Tokei. Tokei meaning clock or watch. Tokei means clock or watch. Hataraku. Hataraku, work. Hataraku, to work. Mainichi, every day. Mainichi, every day. Mai is a prefix meaning every. For example, every week, every year, every day. Mai is a prefix. Remember that ji, fun, pun are suffixes and mai is a prefix. Neru, to sleep. Neru, to sleep. Hayai, early. It also means fast. Hayai, early. The next one is a suffix goro. Goro meaning about or around. Goro, about or around. Atsui, hot. Atsui, hot. Suzushi. Suzushi meaning cool. Cool. Asa, morning. Asa, morning. Kesa, this morning. Kesa, this morning. Okiru, to wake or to get up. Okiru is to wake or to get up. Han, half. Han, half. Jitensha, bicycle. Jitensha, bicycle. Kuru, to come. Kuru, to come. Karada. Karada, body. Karada, body. Jidosha, car. Jidosha, car. Jitensha is bicycle. Jidosha is car. Ame, rain. Ame, rain. Honto, true. Honto, true. Now let's have a recap of all the words. Jikan, time. Ji, suffix added to R. Fun, pun, suffix added to minute. Gozen, AM. Gogo, PM. Tokei, clock, watch. Hataraku, to work. Mainichi, every day. Mai, prefix every. Neru, to sleep. Hayai, early. Goro, about, around. Atsui, hot. Suzushi, cool. Asa, morning. Kesa, this morning. Okire, wake, get up. Han, half. Jitensha, bicycle. Kuru, come. Karada, body. Jidosha, car. Ame, rain. Hondo, true. Now let's get into the grammar part of this lesson. Jukugo, Bumpo, idioms and grammar. The first one is Kara Made. After and until. Kara is after, Made is until. Next grammar is Ni. This particle is at, particle required after time. De is a particle required before a passive verb. I'm sorry, it is verb. Passive verb to show means. De denotes by. Mo means already. Osakini shitsureishimasu. It means sorry, I will go back before you. Last one is Deva Mata. See you. So Kara Made is after until. Ni is the particle required after time. De is the particle required before a passive verb. Mo is already. Osakini shitsureishimasu is sorry, I will go back before you. Deva Mata is see you. Deva Mata. It can also be said, Deva Mata can also has an alternative as Ja Mata. Deva Mata or Ja Mata. Both means see you. Hatten. Here we will learn how to say how many hours and how many minutes in Japanese. We just learnt in the Tango part of this lesson that ji is the suffix used for hours. So before learning how to say how many hours or minutes in Japanese, let's recall the numbers in Japanese. 1, ichi, 2, ni, 3, san, 4, yo or yon, 5, go, 6, roku, 7, nana, 8, hachi, 9, ku or q, 10, ju, 11, juichi, 12, juni. So we know that G is the suffix for hours. So just add the suffix G to the corresponding or the respective numbers. For example, 1 hour. Ichi G. 2 hours. Ni G. 3 hours. San G. 4 hours. Yoji, and it is not Yonji. Yoji. 5 hours. Goji. 6. Rokuji. 7. Nanaji, and it is not Shichiji. It is always Nanaji. 8. Hachiji. 9. Kuji, and it is not Kyuji. Kuji. 10. Juji. 11. Juichi. 12. Juni. So the exceptions are only 4, 7 and 9. It is Yoji and not Yonji. 7 it is Nanaji and it is not Chichiji. 9 it is Kuji and it is not Kyuji. Clear? Now let's learn how to read or learn how to say minutes in Japanese. We have learnt again in the Tango part of this lesson that fun or pun is the suffix used for minutes. So for 1 minute it is ippun. It is not ichipun, it is ippun. And for 2 minutes it is nifun. For 3 minutes it's sampun. 4 minutes it is yompun. It is not yofun or yopun, it is yompun. Whereas for 4 hours it is yoji. But for minutes it is yompun. 5 minutes gofun. 6 minutes roppun. It is not rokupun or rokufun, it is roppun. 7 minutes nanafun and it is not shichifun. 8 minutes happun and it is not hachipun. Happun. 9 minutes qfun. Whereas for 9 hours it is kuji. It is not qg. But for minutes it is qfun. 10 minutes jupun. It's not jupun, it is jupun, and so on. So let's recall one more time. For 1 minute ipun, 2 minutes nifun, 3 minutes sampun, 4 minutes yompun, 5 minutes gofun, 6 minutes ropun, 7 minutes nanafun, 8 minutes happun, 9 minutes qfun, 10 minutes jupun. So this is how you use G or pun or fun for referring hours and minutes. For example, when somebody asks you Nanji desu ka? How many hours or what time is it? You say it is, for example, if the answer is 1 hour, it is ichiji desu. If it is 7 o'clock or 7 hours, nanaji desu. When somebody asks you how many more minutes are there, nana fun desu. 7 minutes are there, and so on. Clear? The next part of hatten is kako, past. Here we will learn how to convert a plain form into polite form or polite past form. Conversion into polite form we have already seen in the previous lessons. We will remember and recall how to convert polite form, and as well as we will learn the new polite past form. Plain form. First we will learn and remember the words, the meaning of these plain form words. The first one is neru. Neru means to sleep. It is a new word which we have learnt in this lesson. Neru, sleep. Okiru is again a word of this lesson, to get up or to wake up. Taberu, to eat. Tsukuru, to make or to prepare. Yomu, to read. Iku, to go. Tsukawu, to use. Kuru, to come. Neru, sleep. Okiru, to get up or to wake up. Taberu is to eat. Tsukuru, to make or prepare. Yomu is to read. Iku is to go. Tsukawu, to use. Kuru is to come. Now, how do we convert these plain form into polite form? There are two different conditions, actually three conditions, but as we have already learnt the two conditions before, let me tell you that the first condition, any word that ends with iru or eru sound, just replace the ru, the last word ru, with mas form. The second condition, anything other than iru or eru should be replaced, which means the last letter should be replaced with the previous letter of that series of the letter with mas form. Clear? Anything other than iru or eru should be replaced with the previous letter of that series of that letter and appended with mas form at the end. So these are the two conditions which we have learnt before. So let's see the first word, neru. Neru ends with eru sound. So replace ru with mas, nemas. So this is the polite form of this word. The next one is okiru. Okiru means to get up or to wake up. It ends with the sound iru, okiru. So replace ru with mas form. Okimas is the polite form of okiru. And the same for taberu. Replace ru with mas, tabemas. Tsukuru. Does it end with iru or eru sound? No. It ends as uru, tsukuru. So anything other than iru or eru sound, replace the last letter with the previous letter of that series of that letter appended with mas form at the end. So the letter before ru is ri. So tsukurimas. Tsukurimas. This is the polite form of tsukuru. And the same goes for yomu. The letter before mu is mi. So yo, mi, mas. This is the polite form of yomu. And the next one is ik. The letter before ku is ki. So ikimasu. This is the polite form of the word iku. The next one is tsukawu. Replace u with e. Tsukaimasu. Tsukaimasu is the polite form of tsukawu. Tsukawu means to use. So we have applied two conditions in all these words. The third condition is the words kuru and suru. Kuru means to come. Suru means to do. Kuru, as per the second rule, any word that ends with other than iru or eru sound should be replaced with the previous letter of that particular series, right? So kuru, as per that second condition, the polite form should be kurimas, but it is not. The polite form of kuru is kimas. This is an exception. And the same goes for suru. The polite form of suru is not surimas as per the second condition, but whereas it is shimas. So please keep in mind kuru and suru. These are very important. Kuru is not kurimas, whereas it is kimas. And suru is not surimas, it is shimas. So this is the polite form of kuru and suru. So there are three conditions. Let me repeat one more time. The first condition, any word that ends with iru or eru sound, replace the last letter ru with mass form. That's it. This is the rule for converting a plain form into polite form for first condition. And the second condition, any word other than that ends with eru or iru sound should be, the last letter should be replaced with the previous letter of that particular series, appended with mas at the end. Example, yomu, yomimas, iku, ikimas. And the third condition is kuru and suru. Kuru is always kimas. The polite form of kuru will always be kimas and suru will always be shimas. So these are the three basic conditions for converting a plain form into polite form, and the same rule is applied for polite past form as well. How do you convert plain form into polite past form? It is the same rule. Neru, the polite form of neru is nemas. For it to be converted into polite past form, just replace ru with mashta, nemashta. The same rule. Anything that ends with iru or eru sound, just replace ru with mashta and that becomes polite past form. If you replace it with mas, it becomes polite form. As simple as that. So neru, the polite past form of neru is nemashta. And okiru, it is okimashta. Taberu, it is tabemashta. Tsukuru, second rule applies. What is the second rule? Anything other than iru or eru sound, the last letter should be replaced with the previous letter of that particular series of alphabets. So tsukuru is tsukurimashita, yomu yomimashita, iku ikimashita, tsukawu tsukaimashita, and the last condition is kuru and suru. So kuru, the polite past form of kuru is kimashita and it is not kurimashita. Clear? So this is how we convert plain form into polite form and plain form into polite past form, or polite form into polite past form. This is the last part of Hatten. Here we will learn some adjectives, opposites of adjectives, past forms of adjectives, and the different weather types. So let's start with opposite of adjectives, e ending adjectives. Hayai, meaning of hayai is early or fast. Osoi is late. Hayai, early. Osoi, late. Atsui is hot. Samui is cold. Atsui, hot. Samui is cold. In the previous part of Hatten, we have learned how to convert a verb into past form, polite past form. Now we will learn how to convert the plain form of an adjective into past form of adjective. So atsui is a e ending adjective. What is the meaning of atsui? It is hot. So to convert it into past form, you have to just replace the last letter e with katta. Atsukatta, meaning it was hot. Atsuides is it is hot. present sentence, present tense. Atsukatta means it was hot, past tense. So atsui meaning hot. To convert in plain form of adjective to past form, just replace the e ending adjective with katta. Atsukatta, it was hot. The next word is suzushi. Suzushi meaning cool. Atatakai is hot. So opposite of suzushi is atatakai. So suzushi means cool. Samui is cold. Suzushi is cool. So to say it was cool, just replace e with katta. Suzushi katta. It was cool. Clear? Hayai is opposite of hayai is osoi. Atsui is samui. The past form of adjective atsui is atsukatta. Suzushi opposite is atatakai. Suzushikatta means it was hot. So the rule for converting an adjective into past form is just replace last letter e with katta and it becomes the polite past form of adjective. The last part of hatten is tenki. Tenki means weather. Hare, sunny. Hare, sunny. Kumori, cloudy. Kumori, cloudy. Yuki, snow. Yuki, snow. Kaze, wind. Kaze, wind. I'm sorry, it is not sore, but it is sora. Let me correct it. Sora. Sora means sky. Kumo is cloud. Kumo, cloud. Kumori is cloudy. Hare is sunny. Kumori is cloudy. Yuke is snow. Kaze, the wind. Sora is sky. And the last one, Kumo, is cloudy. Remember that tenki means weather. Clear? Now we are into the conversation part of this lesson. Shigoto no jikan, working hours. Ashok initiates the conversation. Debi-san, toke ga arimasu ka? Nanji desu ka? Ima nanji desu ka? Debi-san, toke, watch, ga arimasu ka is the interrogative structure. Ima, now. Nanji, what time? Desu ka is questioning. Debi-san, toke ga arimasu ka? Do you have a watch, Miss Devi? Ima nanji desu ka? What is the time now? Debi responds. Goji, yoju, gofun desu. Ashok-san no shigoto wa nanji made desu ka? Goji, yoju, gofun desu. Goji is 5 hours. Yoju gofun is 45 minutes this. It is 5:45. Ashok-san no shigoto wa. Shigoto is work. Wa desu ka is the interrogative structure. No is the connecting particle. Nanji is what time. Made is until. Ashok-san no shigoto wa nanji made desu ka? Till what time is Ashok-san's work? Ashok responds. Watashi wa 6 時まで働きます。あと15分ですね。私は6時まで働きます。私 is I. Wa is the grammar particle. 6時まで 6時 is 6 hours. まで is until. 働きます is work, working. 私は6時まで働きます。I work till 6 o'clock. あと15分ですね。あと more and whatever you call it. あと15分ですね。15 minutes. もう15 minutes, right? デビ。いいですね。私は7時までです。いいですね。Good. 私は I. は this is the affirmative structure. 7時までです。7時 is 7 hours. So I work till 7. Ashok. そうですか。私は午前9時から午後6時までです。そして毎日午後10時ごろ寝ます。そうですか。Is it? 私は I. Gozen kuji kara. Gozen kuji kara. Gozen is AM. Kuji is 9 hours. Kara is from. Gogo is PM. Rokuji is 6 hours. Made is until. Wa, this is the affirmative structure. Watashi wa gozen kuji kara gogo rokuji made desu. My working hours is from 9 o'clock till 6 o'clock. Though Mr. Ashok is not saying exactly that his working hours is 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock, the sentence literally means it is from 9 o'clock till 6 o'clock. As we have learnt from the beginning that they are talking about working hours, it is represented internally in the meaning that Ashok san is representing or trying to mean that his working hours is from 9 o'clock till 6 o'clock in the evening. So desu ka? Watashi wa gozen 9時から午後6時までです. Ashok san can also say the same sentence in a different way using the word shigoto no jikan, working hours. Like, watashi no shigoto no jikan wa gozen 9時から午後6時までです. But watashi wa gozen 9時から午後6時までです is more simpler than including the word shigoto no jikan in this sentence. Japanese people prefer to be as simple as possible when conveying meanings. Clear? And then, そして、毎日午後10時頃寝ます。そして、and then, 毎日 every day 午後10時頃寝ます。Around 10 p.m. I sleep. 寝ます is sleeping. そうですか is it? 私は午前9時から午後6時までです。My working hours is from 9 o'clock till 6 o'clock. 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. そして毎日午後10時頃寝ます。And then I sleep around 10 o'clock every day. I just want to correct that it is not gozen but gogo 10 p.m. Clear? Now they be response. 早いですね。早いですね。私は午前1時ぐらいに寝ます。昨日の夜は暑かったですね。早いですね。It's early, right? 私は午前1時ぐらい around 1 a.m. に寝ます。I sleep around 1 a.m. 昨日の夜 昨日 means yesterday. 夜 is night. No is the connecting particle. Yesterday night は暑かったですね. It was hot. 暑かった. Remember the grammar that we learnt in the hatten part? 暑かった converting adjective into polite past form. 昨日の夜は暑かったですね. It was hot yesterday, right? 早いですね. Early. 私は午前1時くらいに寝ます. I sleep around 1 a.m. 昨日の夜は暑かったですね. Yesterday night was hot, right? Ashok responds. 今は朝から涼しいですね. 今朝は何時頃起きましたか? 今は朝から涼しいですね. 今 is now. Wa, this is the affirmative structure. Ne is seeking confirmation. Asa is morning. Kara is from. Suzushi is school. 今は朝から涼しいですね. It's cool from the morning now, right? 今朝は 今朝 is this morning. 何時頃 何時 is what time. Goro is around. 起きました is woke up. Ka is questioning. 起きましたか? 今朝は何時頃起きましたか? At what time you woke up this morning? 今は朝から涼しいですね. It is cool from the morning, right? 今朝は何時頃起きましたか? At what time you woke up this morning? They be response. 7時半ぐらいです. 7半ぐらいです。8時間半寝ました。それから自転車で会社に来ました。7時ぐらい ?7 時半ぐらいです。7時 is 7 hours. 半 is half. So 7時半 is 7:30ぐらいです。Around 7:30. 6時間 sorry 6時間 it's not 8時間 I was wrong before. It is 6時間半寝ました。I slept for 6.5 hours. それから after that 自転車で自転車 is bicycle. De is by means of bicycle. 会社に来ました。会社 is company. 来ました is came. 来る the polite form of 来る is 来ます。polite past form is 来ました。So それから自転車で会社に来ました。7時半ぐらいです。around 7:30. 6時間半寝ました。slept for 6.5 hours. それから and then 自転車で会社に来ました。came to office by bicycle. アショーク。体にいいですね。私は毎日自動車です。体に言いますね。体 is body. So いいですね。いいです is good. Good for health. Good for your body. 私は I 毎日 every day 自動車です。by means of he's trying to say that he comes by means of car. Okay? 体にいいですね。Good for your body. 私は毎日自動車です。I come by car every day. デビー。私も雨の日は自動車です。アショークさん、もう6時ですよ。私も雨の日は自動車です。アショークさん、もう6時ですよ。私 is I. も is also. 雨 is rain. No is the connecting particle. He is day. So 雨の日 is on rainy days. Wa this is affirmative structure. 自動車 is car. 私も雨の日は自動車です。She's trying to say that I also use car during rainy days. アショークさん、もう6時ですよ。アショークさん、もう is already 6 hours, 6時間。6時 is 6 o'clock ですよ。It's already 6 アショークさん。アショーク、あ、本当ですね。あ、本当ですね。お先に失礼します。あ、本当ですね。Yeah, you're right. お先に失礼します。Sorry, I'm going before you. デビー。ではまた。See you. ではまた。See you. Now let's repeat the conversation again between Mr. Ashok and Miss Devi on working hours. 仕事の時間。Ashok. デビーさん、時計がありますか？今何時ですか？デビー。5時45分です。アショクさんの仕事は何時までですか？アショク、私は6時まで働きます。あと15分ですね。デビー、いいですね。私は7時までです。アショク、そうですか。私は午前9時から午後6時までです。そして毎日午後10時頃寝ます。デビー、早いですね。私は午前1時ぐらいに寝ます。昨日の夜は暑かったですね。アショク、今は朝から涼しいですね。今朝は何時頃起きましたか？デビー、7時半ぐらいです。6時間半寝ました。それから自転車で会社に行きました。アショク、体にいいですね。私は毎日自動車です。